Woohoo! We've got some new things in the mix now. Apologies, I've been away for a week. The wife was poorly and I'm decorating. That's what the house looks in an absolute mess. It's been a tough week. Yeah, I don't appreciate how much my wife does for me. The house was just absolute bomb site, bless. And thinking about moving, need a bigger kitchen, need a proper Popper's kitchen. But whilst I've been away, shit just got real on the old Tweb, on Facebook. People are going, oh, Birds are bringing out an old cheeky vegan range. So we thought, I might as well give that a quick taste test. They've got burgers, sausages, meatballs, all, I think they're calling it green life or something. I'll show you in the picture, you can see what it's all about. The honest Popper review, honest review. I watched some of these reviews on YouTube and whatnot. People are like, oh yeah, it tastes great, just because it's vegan. No, you're getting the real shit right here. It's going to be a naked review as well. So I'm getting the titties out. No. Naked review. I ain't putting no sauce on the burgers and all that. I've done that in the past now, and I'm thinking it's clouds my judgment a little bit. You see that by the Equals burger, thinking, oh, it tastes really good. No, it's all the accompaniments, it's all the accessories. So we're going in naked, full on, but naked burger, meatball, burger and balls, naked burger and balls, and sausages. Yeah, that's what we're gonna have. So we've got 15, 20 on these. 10 to 15 on these, and 10 to 15 on these. Put them in first. Add these bad boys in the oven. 20 minutes in total. 5 minutes extra for the burgers, and then 15 minutes for the sausages and the meatballs. So we're gonna go in. Looks basic, but we're going in, like we said, naked taste test. Meatball first. Not much smell coming off it. Not much at all. I'm confused. Confused by that. It is nice, don't get me wrong, it is nice. I'm gonna have to go in, back in. I think I like it. I think it tastes in between a kind of a plant meatball, you know what I mean, with chickpeas and all that, and a meat substitute one. There's no overpowering flavours. I think they're a little bit fried, a bit of crispiness on it. That could be good. Let's try the sausage. Doesn't work with the sausage. With the meatballs, it works. With the sausage, no, it's just not there. It's a little bit too towards the plantiness. Burger. Let's have a go. I need some help on this. So you look really short.
I'm really short.
You're not this short. Come like, I think we're different. Okay, I'm on the fence with these. So first, meatball. No. Tastes planty. Kind of like, yeah. Sausage.
You can do that. I'm not doing it.
I think the sausages are worse than the meatballs. I might have overcooked them. Burger. Now Sue's not a vegan, but by default she is, because I do a lot of the cooking.
They all taste the same, but in different sizes.
Do you think?
Yeah.
If you're going to give it out of 10, comparing it to all of the meat substitutes we've had, what would you give it?
4.
4? Now doing a blind taste test, because I started to have a bit of an argument. I think it tastes nicer than Sue's saying. But she says they taste all the same. I say they're different, so now I've got to eat them blind.
Ready? Alright, need to open anything that wide, but
Okay.
okay. Right. How big's your mouth?
Pretty massive, isn't it?
Right, open your eyes. What was number 1?
Sausage, meatball, burger.
Oh. That's
That-
because you knew the size of the.
Yeah, it wasn't the size, it's the taste. The sausage and meatball definitely tasted different. The burger didn't taste that much different from the meatball. It's a bit of a roller coaster. You know what? I don't find them unappealing. I think they're actually quite nice. Bit of hot sauce on these bad boys. Compared to an Equals burger, I gave that Equals burger a 5. And that was rancid. I'll give these a 7.
Ooh.
I will give these a 7. 7. I'd have them again. I think if you put them in a casserole or something like that, it would turn down to mush. It'd be really kind of mushy and stuff like that. But sausage cob with a couple of them bad boys on, boom! Cob, yes, barn cake, batch, all that crap, whatever. Butty. Yeah, I'd have them again. Bird's eye. Well done for having a crack, mate. Peace.